Empower. Empowering clients towards sensible design choices. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Behance presentation. If you haven't watched my longer logo design tutorial, click here to watch it. It's a 3-hour video and I hope it will help you. Step 1. Relevant images and mockups. In this step, after we finished our project, we're going to look for images and mockups that are connected to tech imagery. We're using our previous project, Anchor Technologies. And in this case, we need to look for tech imagery and stationary design mockups, which means for this particular project, business card and letterhead. For images, we're going to use Unsplash. This is a website that provides free images. Now, after we found our images, we're going to look for mockups. Okay, for mockups, we're going to use the website mockupworld.co. This is a free mockup website. Let's search for some business card and letterhead mockups. Since we can't find a good letterhead mockup on Mockup World, we're going to Google free letterhead mockups. Okay, we've gathered our images and mockups. Let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Logo idea. In this step, we make a breakdown of logo elements, which in this case, for Anchor Technologies, we have letter A plus Anchor. Those are the elements that the logo was created from. Okay, we're into Illustrator, and now we're going to break down the logo idea. Okay, we broke down the logo idea, and now we're gonna go into Photoshop and put the logo idea breakdown on a brand image. Alright, we're into Photoshop, and for the Behance presentation, we're going to use the sizing of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Now, I'm going to import my image. I am going to use this image to showcase the logo breakdown. go here, add the black and white filter, and now we're going to add the background brand color. Go into Photoshop, select the brand color, double click, we're going to copy it, and we're gonna go here, solid color, paste it here. Select this and apply multiply. Click on the image, go to image, adjustments, brightness and contrast, and play around until you like the result. In this case, this image is way too dark. We're going to increase the brightness to the right, and we're going to decrease the contrast. Now paste your logo design breakdown. Okay, we finished this step and now we're going to move on. Step 3. Typography. In this step we make a breakdown of typography and its disposition, how and where it's used. For this project we have railway extra bold, which is used for header, and railway semi bold, which is used for paragraphs. Now we're going to showcase the typography that is used in this project. Now we're going to add the typography to a brand image. Okay, so we already have the template set up for Behance and all the effects, the black and white and the color fill. And now we're just gonna remove the current image and we're gonna add our new image. Just keep in mind that these effects doesn't always work with all images. Now we're going to add our typography. Okay, we finished the typography step. Now we're going to move on to the colors. Step 4. Colors. In this step we make a breakdown of colors and their disposition, how and where they're used. For this project we have dark navy blue, which is used for background, and we have tech orange, which is used for the logo. Okay, now we're going to present our colors. Now we're going to put the colors on a brand image. For the colors, we're going to use this image. Now we're going to do something different. We're going to remove the color fill and we're going to apply the black and white filter. And now we're going to add the gradient map with the two brand colors. Okay, we added the gradient map and now we're going to add our color presentation. Okay, we finished the color presentation. Now we're going to move on with the next step, which is presenting the logo design on brand images. Okay, we're going to use 3 brand images and we're going to use the same template with the black and white filter and the color fill. And also we're going to change the brightness and contrast. Okay, we finished all the brand images and now we're going to move on to applying mockups. Step 5. Applying mockups. In this step, we apply the designs to the mockups. We have business card mockup and letterhead mockup. Okay, we've added our business card mockups and now we're going to apply the business card designs to the mockups. So we finished applying the business card designs to the mockups. Now we're going to open the letterhead mockup and apply the design. Okay, we've added our mockup and our design, and now we're going to apply the design to the mockup. Okay, so the mockup wasn't working for some reason, so I made my own mockup. Now we're going to move on to uploading the project to Behance. Okay, we're on Behance. This is my profile. Here you can see my work. And now we're going to click on share your work, project, build a complete case study, and we're going to add the images and the text explaining about the brand. Okay, so we've published our Behance project. Now let's take a look at it. So everything seems great. And that was pretty much it, everyone. This was the Behance presentation tutorial. And that was the tutorial, everyone. I hope it helped you. Please leave your valuable feedback in the comments down below. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching and have a great day.